Welcome to another episode of Smart Tips. I'm Jeff Gonzalez, and today I'm going to walk you through how you can look up the earliest value from a linked record set. Historically, always been able to look up information from a linked table. We've also been able to filter by set conditions, but we've never been able to limit the selection based on maybe the latest date or a highest number value. Today I'm going to show you how exactly we can do that. Let's jump in. In this example solution that I've built out here, I have a table for projects, tasks, and deliverables. And one thing I hear continuously is I want to be able to open up a project record and see everything about that specific project, right? And so let's go ahead and do that. In this scenario, let's say I have numerous versions of a specific deliverable. Each record represents a deliverable. I just want the latest version of that deliverable, and I want to bring in the link to go directly to it. Fair enough? If we were to use a lookup field to say go into the linked deliverables and bring over the link field, we see that we get numerous results, right? Because all four, in this case, versions of that deliverable live in the deliverables table. I want to limit it to just the latest version. And so I can actually do that now by saying related record sort. And what this does is it says, go ahead and choose the field that you want to return, choose the field that you want to sort by using the dot notation, and then choose the order. So in this case, I want to bring in the link that lives over in deliverables. I want to use in this case, this is a due date field that I've titled finalized on, but I want to sort it by this date field, and I want it to deliver it in descending order. So you'll notice that we also have a related records sort. This is a single value that it will return. So this will give us, in descending order, the latest value based on the date that lives in there. And if we go back into the record summary, you can see that it brings over the link. And we can actually even use this in a button field as well. So if we go and look at the URL formula within this button field, and if we click on that button, it would take us to the document in which that latest deliverable lives. Similarly, if we wanted to use it in a task use case, we could say, who are we waiting on still? And what this is saying is, if I go down and look at all of these tasks that are linked here, I want to know who owns the next task that is not completed. So obviously we can come down here and we can set this table up to be able to actually give us that answer. But what if we just want that answer really quickly and we just want to spin up a formula that can produce that output? We're going to use the formula function getList. What getList does is it says go ahead and give a filter condition, right? So we want it to where a task's status is not complete. What field do we want it to return? We want it to return the assigned to value. We want to know who we're waiting on. The field that we want to sort it by. So in this case, we want to sort it by the due date. And we want it in ascending order this time. So we want the earliest by due date task that is not complete. Give us who's assigned to it. And we've also included these additional functions on top of it. Top says, go ahead and just give me the first value. I could say, give me 2, give me 3 different assigned to values. In this case, I just want to know who's next. And then I wrap it in a concat function due to a functional requirement that says, essentially, for delivering an entire list, I need to have either an average or a sum around it. In this case, we're using concat to say, go ahead and just give me the text value that output is delivering. I hope this is helpful. A ton of different ways in which these formulas can be used. We're really excited to add them to the formula family here at SmartSuite. Thanks for watching.